Hi, it's Tom Bowley here from the Property Centre, and today we're going to Glenarm Walk. It's a 3-bedroom, semi-detached house. It's absolutely cracking inside. It's got a couple of reception rooms, big garden, and a large driveway. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
Baby, you and I got history. Are we meant to be, or is it all a lie? Read between the lines, and this ain't it. Ain't how it's supposed to be. No, you know that I want it, but I can feel your vibe. You keep pulling, pushing on me. All this time I sacrifice, but you want it when you want it. It's only when it's right for you. I just get this feeling that I'm meant to date. I just got this feeling you gon' take and leave. I just got this feeling you don't say what you mean. I just hate this feeling, but I can't fight this feeling. I can't fight this feeling no more. Call it how it is. Why you keep on making a fool of me?